Here we are, spending some time down at Lake Maraboon. It's a massive lake. It's bloody huge, eh, babe? Kenny's gonna do a little spot of fishing. So you reckon there's barra in here, babe? Ruby, what are you doing? Come on, me. Ruby, Ruby, what are you doing? Hey, you like the water? Is it cold? You can drink it. It's fresh water. It's fresh water, hey, babe? Nice. Where's the puppy dogs? Can you see them other puppy dogs over there? It's a bit like Millie, your little playmate, your Friday friend. Get them flies.
Cast off with a worm hanging off it.
What are you going to catch?
Oh, little yellow belly.
It's a beautiful day, eh? So what's on the other side of the lake? The lake monster?
On a horse named Trigger from a town just east of the Mississippi River, and saw her standing there in a little blue dress.
Loch Ness?
She was the prettiest girl he ever did see, but she almost wouldn't let him buy her a drink, 'cause her dad said ace high girls don't talk to cattle hands. But she took his arm and then when they shared the sweetest kiss, he brought his pipe up to his lips and said, all the stars in the eastern sky couldn't bring me back. Boys and Lone Jack. She swore off men and cursed his name, 'cause the stars, they never look the same as the night she spent laying on his chest. The townsfolk just gave her pity, so her parents found a boy from New York City, and she had no choice but to say yes. This kiss, he brought his pipe up to his lips and said, all the stars in the eastern sky couldn't bring me back. And a soft spot for cowboys and Lone Jack. It was the day before she was about to leave on a train eastbound through Tennessee, when she stopped in that bar just one last time. He said, I won't leave you again. I never could quite.
You having a little sunbake, Ruby Rose? Hey? After you walk down to the lake with Daddy. He's sleepyhead. You're shining in the sun like a little sapphire, aren't you?
She
Here's Daddy Kenny playing with his new toy.
Yeah, this has got the new DJi Neo drone. It's pretty handy, eh? I'm not really the smartest high-tech person, but hey, this is pretty easy. I'm going to use it now, just show you, without the remote control. It's just...
Is that the face recognition?
Yeah.
It does pretty good clips too, hey? Pretty clear.
We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the light.
Follow, rotate, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, follow.
Hopelessly,
Put your thumb down.
3, 2, 1.
we're still not.
Oh, most down the boat, yeah. What? Is that then make sure so you don't get lost? I said, no, it's so many missus knows where I am, so I'm not talking to ladies.
To the sky, nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and softly alive.
You can come back now.
Can't believe, but we're still turning hopelessly alive.
Perfect. So you're happy with it?
It's like a pet. It just follows you everywhere.
So how much was that one?
The drone itself, $300. So you can just use it with the drone. You just use the symbols on it. But we've got the
Kit.
combo pack, which has got the remote control and extra 2 batteries.
So total 3 batteries.
Total 3 batteries. It lasts 18 minutes on 1 battery. So you actually got almost an hour.
And that was 500.
That was $500, $540 I think,
Harvey Norman.
at Harvey Norman.
But we had a $200 gift voucher, hey?
Yeah, so
And the reason you got the remote was because they did say sometimes when you're out of range from Wi-Fi that it can play up a bit from your phone direct to the drone. So we thought we might as well get the whole kit, hey?
yeah, and it takes pretty good footage as well. It's 4K, it's not perfect, but for what we use it for, hey, pretty perfect.
And it's not like that one you got us for Christmas the other year where you put it up in the sky and it just flew away and never came back.
So, yeah.
And then we found someone tied it to a power pole near our house, didn't they?
Yeah, it was probably about 3 kilometres away from where I flew it. Yeah, it must have flew in someone's yard and they just tied it up to a post, and I said, oh, we drove past one day, oh, there's my drone. Yeah, so
This one's much easier, hey?
this one's much easier, a lot more obedient as well.
You're learning lots of tricks each day.
I am.